Alright, well, my heater buddy finally showed up. Picked up some more propane. And now we're going to unbox this thing and hook it up and see how it works. In the package I'm opening now, I picked up a hose to connect the 15-pound propane container to the heater buddy. The heater buddy comes ready to use with a 1-pound propane cylinder, but if you want to extend the runtime on that, you need to order the hose and get a bigger tank. I purchased this for a backup system in case there's a power outage this winter. I want to keep warm, and this thing is supposed to be indoor safe. It's got some safety features to it. Alright, on one side, that's where your 1-pound cylinder goes. You would just screw that directly into the heater buddy. But what I'm going to do here today is attach this hose instead and run it to the bigger tank. After hearing about what happened with the Texas power outages, I just want to be prepared. Okay, so it really doesn't require any tools to set this up. The hose that I got comes with some hand grips that make it easier to tighten it up. You don't need a crescent wrench or anything. So, no tools required. Now I just want to make sure I get my pressure gauge lined up where I can see it. Alright, it's time to fire this baby up. Put it in the pilot position and press down on it. There's a little self-igniter, lights a flame, and then you can turn it to either low or high. I'm going to start out with low. And I'm going to bump it up to high and see what happens. Heat's really coming out now. Yeah, that works pretty good. I also picked up a carbon monoxide detector. Test that out, make sure it works. Now I'm just going to set it up right next to the heater buddy and let it run for a while. While that's running, let's look at the features. It's a 4,000, 9,000 BTU heater. Heats up to 225 square feet, and says on the box it'll run 5.4 hours on low and 2.4 hours on high, and that's on this 1-pound propane cylinder. So if the big one, 15 pounds, you just take that number times 15. It also comes with a safety feature that if you tilt the heater buddy, if it gets knocked over, it'll automatically shut off. So that's what I'm doing here, and there it goes. It shut off at about a 45-degree angle. So it definitely shut off if it got knocked over at a 90-degree angle. Got a pressure gauge here on the line going from the propane cylinder to the heater buddy. Carbon monoxide detector is not picking anything up. Alright, we're looking good. Alright, so on the side over here it says not to run this heater on high if you're in a bathroom. There's also a feature on this where if there's not enough oxygen in the room, like you don't have enough ventilation for it, it'll automatically shut off. So for the money, I think it's a great investment. Keep my family warm in case of a power outage in the wintertime. I'll put a link in the description box for the parts that I got. So stay warm out there and stay safe.